exposing the secret to skyrocketing sales. Am I the only one that didn't know email marketing could be this powerful? First up, build an email list. Collect emails through sign-up forms, lead magnets, or special offers on your website. Next, create valuable content. Send newsletters, tips, and exclusive deals your audience will love. Make it personal and relevant. Then track performance. Use tools like MailChimp or HubSpot to track open rates, click-throughs, and conversions. This helps improve your strategy. Now automate your emails. Set up automated emails for welcoming new subscribers, abandoned carts, and follow-ups. It saves time and keeps you consistent. Finally, build relationships. Consistent communication builds trust and keeps your brand top of mind for your customers. Email marketing is a powerful tool to grow your business. Start now and watch your customer base expand.